Let's stay on the coast for our next segment. For the past decade now, researchers have been trying to figure out what decimated sea star populations along the west coast. In 2013, a mysterious ailment known as sea star wasting disease had nearly wiped out sea stars from Alaska to Southern California. Estimates of how many sea stars died are in the billions. There are two leading theories among experts about what led to this wasting disease. Maybe it's a waterborne virus or perhaps microbial change that made it hard for the creatures to absorb oxygen through their skin, basically suffocating them.
Sea stars have the ability to, through an autoimmune response, to be able to cast off damaged parts of their bodies. And so they would cast off a ray or just dissolve their whole body. In essence, people have described it as melt away.
Yikes. No matter what caused it, the loss of the sea stars has a cascading effect, throwing the entire ecosystem into a state of chaos. Sunflower sea stars were hit especially hard. They can grow to between 3 and 4 feet wide and have 24 arms. And it may not look like it, but they're voracious predators, and their preferred food, sea urchins. Without sea stars to keep the urchin population in check, urchin numbers are now exploding.
Those urchins eat kelp, and so they have just been mowing down the kelp forests, eating those kelp down to like nubs, and forming what's called urchin barrens.
That is a problem because those kelp forests are critical nurseries for other marine life. But there is a glimmer of hope tonight for the sunflower sea stars. Oregon Coast Aquarium staff found 25 of the critically endangered stars in Yaquina Bay. That's the most documented in a single location since sea star wasting disease took hold. They found 1 adult and 24 juveniles, with the biggest measuring 6 inches across. Remember, these things can grow to 3 to 4 feet across. After they were measured, all the sea stars will return to the ocean floor. Experts at the aquarium say the high concentration of young sea stars could be a precursor of the species' recovery. Only time will tell.